The latest from Boston Dynamics has everyone talking. And it's not their usual flashy parkour displays. They've unveiled something far more practical, their Atlas robot tackling real factory work completely on its own. Imagine a robot smoothly navigating a car assembly line, adapting to moving parts and unexpected changes without anyone pulling the strings. No pre-programmed routines. No human guidance. Just pure machine autonomy at work. Gone are the days of simple athletic demos. This is Atlas rolling up its mechanical sleeves and getting down to actual business. It's a glimpse into what industrial robotics is truly becoming: smart, adaptable, and genuinely autonomous. This isn't just another tech demo, folks. It's a real turning point in robotics. While those viral clips of the robot doing push-ups certainly caught everyone's attention, its latest achievement is something far more significant. Boston Dynamics has transformed their acrobatic marvel into a genuine industrial worker. In this groundbreaking demonstration, we're seeing Atlas tackle real factory tasks with impressive precision. The robot smoothly transfers engine components between storage containers and a mobile sorting station, adjusting its movements to handle parts at various heights. It's like watching a skilled warehouse worker. What's truly revolutionary here is the level of independence Atlas demonstrates. It's making decisions on its own. The secret lies in Boston Dynamics' advanced sensor system. Think of it as giving Atlas a combination of sight, touch, and spatial awareness. Just like how we instinctively know where our arms and legs are without looking, Atlas constantly monitors its own position and movements. When something's not quite right, maybe a part is slightly misaligned, it quickly adjusts its approach, just as a human worker would. The speed and fluidity of these split-second decisions show just how far robotics has evolved. Gone are the bulky hydraulics of previous models, replaced by an all-electric system that's transformed Atlas into a lighter, quieter, and more agile machine. At the heart of Atlas's impressive performance are its advanced actuators, essentially high-tech robotic muscles. These components enable fluid movements, from delicate twists to powerful arm rotations, making Atlas perfectly suited for fast-paced factory work. Especially with Hyundai's ownership of Boston Dynamics and their push toward automotive manufacturing automation. In an industry where efficiency is paramount, Atlas's ability to perform repetitive tasks with unwavering precision could be a game-changer. The robot's capabilities extend well beyond just physical movement. Through its slightly fisheye camera view, Atlas sees the world in a unique way, instantly identifying and highlighting objects it needs to interact with. This visual system, coupled with sophisticated machine learning models, allows Atlas to understand its environment and make split-second decisions. The ongoing collaboration with Toyota Research Institute suggests even more advanced capabilities are on the horizon, potentially enabling Atlas to learn and adapt while working. We might soon see these robots becoming even smarter, learning new tasks directly on the factory floor. What makes this demonstration truly remarkable is Boston Dynamics' emphasis on Atlas's complete autonomy. The fully autonomous watermark prominently displayed throughout the video isn't just for show, it's a bold statement about Atlas's capabilities. Unlike many robotic systems that rely on human operators or pre-programmed sequences, Atlas is making decisions entirely on its own, using its sophisticated array of sensors and advanced programming to navigate complex tasks independently. This level of autonomy stands in stark contrast to other high-profile robotics projects in the industry. Take Tesla's Optimus robots. While they generated significant buzz during the Cybertruck event where they served drinks and interacted with guests, movements were largely guided by human operators behind the scenes. On the other hand, Atlas represents a significant leap forward, a robot that genuinely thinks and acts for itself. The public reaction to Atlas has been fascinating, a mix of awe and unease. When you watch Atlas perform what seems like impossible moves, like that jaw-dropping moment where it essentially inverts its spine to stand up, it's easy to understand why some find it unsettling. But beyond the initial shock factor lies something truly revolutionary. Looking ahead, Boston Dynamics appears to be laser-focused on refining Atlas for practical factory applications, particularly in automotive manufacturing. While they're currently concentrating on controlled industrial environments, potential applications for this technology seem boundless. The level of autonomy and adaptability Atlas demonstrates could pave the way for robotics to expand far beyond the factory floor. So Boston Dynamics is wisely taking a measured, step-by-step approach to development. while Boston Dynamics makes waves in American robotics. Equally groundbreaking developments are emerging from China's tech sector. The 7th World Voice Expo in Hefei became a showcase for cutting-edge AI innovations that are already transforming the industry landscape. The World Voice Expo showcased over 200 AI innovations spanning from sophisticated humanoid robots to advanced communication systems. In an exciting showcase at the expo, Chinese tech company MiMouse unveiled their latest innovations that are revolutionizing the way we work. Based in Anhui Province, they've developed an AI-powered mouse and keyboard combo that's turning heads in the office technology space. The keyboard is particularly impressive. Imagine having a personal assistant that can write articles, whip up presentations, and translate between languages at lightning speed, all thanks to its built-in language models. The market's response has been overwhelming. MiMouse General Manager Feng Haihong shared some remarkable numbers. Their smart mouse flew off the shelves, with 10,000 units purchased in just the first month. This success story is part of China's booming AI industry, which has become a powerhouse worth over 578 billion yuan, that's about $81.3 billion. With more than 4,500 companies pushing the boundaries of AI technology, the sector has seen an impressive 13.9% growth compared to the previous year. During his compelling speech at the expo, iFlyTech's chairman Lu Qingfeng painted an exciting picture of AI's future. He highlighted how artificial intelligence isn't just reshaping industries, it's becoming woven into the fabric of our everyday lives. China's AI revolution is picking up incredible momentum, thanks to strong government backing and continuous innovation. From smart homes to groundbreaking research, we're witnessing a transformation that's making our world more connected and efficient than ever before. This brings us to an interesting question. As AI technology races forward, are we prepared to share our workspace with advanced robots like Atlas? The future of human-robot collaboration might be closer than we think. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Drop your opinions in the comments below. If you found today's exploration of AI advancements interesting, make sure to hit that like button and join our growing community by subscribing. And I'll catch you in the next video.